Most business owners are building business credit completely wrong. Let me explain. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you are new here, I teach about personal and business credit, how to leverage them, how to add trade lines to increase your approvals, and so much more. When it comes to building business credit, you want to make sure that you are focusing on the business bureaus that matter the most for your business. If you are a business that can properly leverage vendor and supplier accounts, like you need supplies in order to do your job, construction people, things of that nature that could really leverage the net 30s, the net 60s, the net 90s, right? What does that mean? It means that you get supplies and then you pay that 30 days to 90 days later. If you're a net 30, your full payment is due in 30 days. But that allows you some time to get the job done and get payment from your client, so then you can pay your vendors. Repeating these things and have multiple trade lines that are vendor accounts on your business credit reports is great because it shows your ability to pay on time, making you a credible business. But if you're like many of us small business owners, those aren't the type of supplier accounts that we want, business credit accounts that we need. What we want are the business credit cards, the business lines of credit, the good stuff, the business loans, the SBA, right? Well, in that case, you really want to focus on Experian Business. That is the main bureau, business bureau, that the banks are going to be pulling your business credit from. In fact, most banks don't even use Dun & Bradstreet when they look and assess your business. It's either Experian Business or the Small Business Financial Exchange, the SBFE. Many of the banks are members and they can get that data for absolutely free. Now, the SBFE is not a business bureau, rather they're a membership. They're an association. But if the banks are members, well, sure, they can go ahead and grab that data. The more data that the banks collect that bring a positive feedback, the better you are. And that's why it's so important to build up multiple business trade lines on your business credit report, showing your ability to pay on time over time as a credible business. You start with a few net accounts, you move your way up to a few store accounts, fuel cards, things of that nature, and then you can go after some of the big boy accounts, credit cards, business lines of credit. Now, all of those things are going to require personal credit or a personal guarantor on behalf of the business. So say you're not quite there yet, you can bring in a friend or a family member or a business partner to be a credit partner of the business and sign on behalf of your business. So that way you can qualify for business credit cards, loans, and lines of credit. There's different facts when it comes to business funding, because what there is basically your EIN funding, which is revenue based. And then you've got your credit based funding, which is exactly how it sounds, more heavily dependent upon the credit, the guarantor's credit, the business credit, right? That is really where people get the approvals, because SBA is going to need personal credit. SBA is also going to need business credit. And if you've kept up with the news lately, you'll know that there's some major changes going on in the SBA and how they assess business credit. Experian Business is one of the, if not the largest business bureaus. So they are very important and way more important than Dun & Bradstreet. So if you get my guide, I will give it to you absolutely free. All that you have to do is take action. You have to download it, you have to study it, you have to open these accounts, and most importantly, you got to pay on time. Your ability to pay on time shows others that you are a credible business and will have no problem paying as agreed. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you want to learn more about personal credit, business trade lines, and so much more, join my credit community. This is exactly the type of information that we give out, and then how to get funding. That is the most important. How to get that good old bag from the bank, right? And we all can love and use it, especially when it comes to business and just having that working capital for marketing and employment and things of that nature that are really the reason why many small business owners either make it or break it. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel on YouTube and Instagram. I'll see you next time.